immersive Bohol beauty doesn't whisper, it blooms. Today, the island transforms into a living canvas of color, couture, and cuisine. I'm Kriya Padilla-Roleda from CD and Digital, and welcome to the Grand Bohol Harvest at BE Grand Resort Bohol. Let's discover the culinary and floral treasures of Bohol.
This feature is in partnership with BE Grand Bohol. Here at BE Grand Bohol, stories don't just get told. They unfold gracefully like a flower in bloom through flavors, colors, and shared moments. The world's artistry converges at the Grand Bohol Harvest, where it blends culinary mastery, floral and fashion artistry, and the heart of BE Grand's continuing mission to elevate the Bohol experience.
A feast for the senses awaits at the Grand Bohol Harvest, featuring the Bohol Food and Wine Festival. Let's take a closer look at this exceptional gathering of local favorites and the talented chefs who know this island by heart.
Celebrating the island's rich and diverse flavors, this year's lineup highlights how Bohol continues to innovate while staying true to its roots.
The place is really full packed, so I guess it's a bigger success this year. Come, let's go. Oh, Bohol Chocolate Farm. They make their own chocolates, and they have a lot of different variants now. So Philippines is really getting big in producing chocolate this time. Real chocolate with real cocoa butter. Let's try. I love really that the Philippines is producing their own chocolates now. Good job, Bohol. Thank you. Funky Ball. Okay. I actually don't know what this is, but it looks very interesting. And I'm gonna try it. It's like a popsicle stick, but it's on a crab shell. So I guess it has something to do with crabs. Let's go find out. Full of flavor of crab aligé. Okay, it's good. I don't know really what it is. We'll find out later when we talk to Chef Gentle, but it's amazing, promise. Finally, we're able to get another of Chef Gentle's food. You see this cone? Actually, everything is edible. From the leaf to the cone to the kalkag inside. It's all edible, and I'm just, look. Amazing. I'm gonna take a bite. No, I'm gonna put everything in my mouth, actually. Now I understand why you wanted me, Chef Gentle, wanted me to eat this one first, and then this one next. Because this one is an explosion of flavor in your mouth. Super good. It's been a very busy evening for this chef, and finally we get a hold of Chef Gentle. Chef, congratulations!
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Your display is such a success,
Thank
no? Yeah, and as usual, you have unique and interesting display and explosive flavors. What's your inspiration and what are they exactly? We don't know what they are. Go.
The inspiration actually came from our staff's backyard. Basically. Inside joke siya sa amin na Lola's backyard. So you see the dish we have with the bago leaf?
Yes.
Actually, everything there came from our si bago leaf. Rarely you see it in the market. But present siya everywhere you go. Usually cooked in vegetable stews.
Okay.
Sabi ko, atong kilawon ba? Sabi ko, but we had to mix and match different components inside para masarap siya, basically.
And tonight, definitely you did not disappoint. You always deliver, Chef Gentle. Congratulations. Good job.
Thank you. Cheers
you.
tayo. Cheers. Thank you.
From taste, we now move to artistry. The Bohol International Flower and Fashion Festival transforms BE Grand Resort Bohol into a living gallery that knows no borders.
From Europe to Asia and the Pacific, each creation of the 27 award-winning florists stands as a masterpiece of patience, detail, and imagination. The world's beauty rooted right here in BE Grand Bohol.
May we know what your inspiration behind your pieces tonight? Sir, would you like?
For your pedestal.
For my pedestal, I just use the local fibers. I merged it with another fiber to create something linking.
And my piece is called Tequila Sunrise, so just the colors. So we use a base of rusty GI wires and some nice orangey tulips.
So my workpiece is called the Nebula in Motion. So basically it's inspired by a star. So when you say star, it's about cosmic, it's about universe, it's very futuristic. And I would say I'm challenging the floristry, but now I wanted to make something that's very me.
Filipino designers work with international florists to bring floral stories to life on the runway.
Invited florist, will have to do 3 pieces. One is the pedestal piece, and the theme is country. Show something about your country on your pedestal piece. Number 2 is a collaboration between the florist and the fashion designers, who we invited in the segment, the bridal segment, forevermore. And the third is the modern body flower. You know, it has to be in motion, Gen Z, very modern, very upbeat, something like that. Is no holds barred.
BE Grand Resort Bohol has the largest convention center here in Panglao. We can accommodate as many as 1,200 guests for conventions, weddings, and events. We want our guests to experience the best hospitality service here in Bohol. And with this event, showcasing the best talents, not just here in Bohol, as well as the national level and international level, we want our guests to visit, come and see BE Grand and experience the BE awesome hospitality service that we can provide.
The night doesn't end with artistry. It continues with 2 milestones that represent BE Grand's growing purpose in the community. The Christmas tree lighting ushers in a season of warmth and hope. More than a celebration, it strengthens BE Grand's commitment to care to its community.
We will always celebrate Christmas in the only way we can, and that's the BE Grand way.
The new Spa by Soliel opens its doors, offering a sanctuary inspired by the island's calm rhythm. It marks another step in BE Grand's mission to expand its services, creating more than an event space. They are shaping a place where guests can celebrate, rest, and reconnect.
From food that tells the story of the island to a runway that honors the Filipino creativity, BE Grand Resort Bohol showed us what happens when flavor, artistry, and purpose move in harmony. The Grand Bohol Harvest mirrors BE Grand Resort Bohol, a place that gathers the best of Bohol and lets it flourish. A place where beauty unfolds season after season, just like a true Grand Harvest. From the heart of Bohol, this is Cria Padilla-Roleda from CDN Digital. Stay, explore, and be inspired by the sights, tastes, and stories waiting at the BE Grand Resort Bohol.